Payfare gives gig workers access to earnings through instant pay cards that connect directly to gig platforms and release money based on completed work. By the end, you'll know how Payfare actually pays out earnings, how it connects to gig apps, and whether it's useful compared to waiting for standard weekly deposits. Start with what Payfare is doing behind the scenes. Payfare works as a payout system for gig platforms. It is not a job app and not a lender. Now explain what that means. Instead of waiting for a scheduled weekly or bi-weekly deposit, Payfare enables faster access to money you've already earned from gig work. Now I will explain how it connects. Payfare is usually integrated with gig platforms like delivery or rideshare apps that support instant payout programs. Your earnings flow into a Payfare-linked account or card depending on the platform's setup. Now, explain the core function. The main function is instant or near-instant access to completed earnings. That changes cash flow timing, not total income. Now I'll explain the biggest advantage. The biggest advantage is liquidity. You do not have to wait for a standard payout cycle to access your earnings. Now explain the trade-off. The trade-off is dependency on platform support. If your gig app does not support Payfare, you cannot use it. Now explain another limitation. It does not increase earnings. It only changes when you receive your money. Now explain who benefits most. Payfare is most useful for gig workers who rely on daily or frequent cash access for expenses like fuel, food, or bills. Now explain who it is less useful for. It is less useful for workers who already budget around weekly or bi-weekly payouts without cash flow issues. Now compare it simply. Traditional payout systems send earnings on a fixed schedule. Payfare shifts that system to faster access based on completed work. Now, explain the key takeaway. Payfare is a cash flow tool, not a financial boost. It helps you get paid faster, not earn more. Now, summarize the key points. Payfare is a payout system that gives gig workers faster access to earned money. It depends on platform integration to function. And its value is improving cash flow timing, not increasing income. One practical next step, die. Check whether your gig platform supports Payfare before signing up, because access depends entirely on integration. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of gig economy tools without confusion.